Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Today, let's unlock the potential of AI tools. AI is transforming how we work and create income. It's not just for tech experts anymore. Anyone can use these tools to start earning. First, identify your skills. Are you good at writing, design, or marketing? Your expertise will guide your AI tool choices. Next, choose the right AI tools. For writing, consider tools like Jasper or Copy.ai. For design, Canva's AI features are fantastic. There are countless options available. Now, learn how to use these tools. Each platform offers tutorials and guidelines. Invest some time to master them. This will speed up your workflow and boost your productivity. Following that, create a service to offer. For instance, if you write content, offer blog post creation for businesses. Leverage your new AI tools to enhance your offerings. Moreover, market your services effectively. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram. Showcase your work and engage with potential clients. To illustrate, let's say you create a blog post. You use an AI tool to generate catchy headlines and outlines. This process saves you hours of work, making it easier to take on more clients. Remember, the key points here are to identify your skills, choose the right tools, and create a service. This strategy not only simplifies your work but also opens up new income opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI tools. Begin your journey to make money online today. As you embark on this exciting venture, consistency is crucial. Set aside dedicated time each week to refine your skills and experiment with different AI tools. This commitment will not only enhance your proficiency but also help you uncover unique ways to leverage AI in your work. Additionally, network with other professionals in the field. Join online forums and groups that focus on AI and digital services. Engaging with like-minded individuals can lead to valuable insights and collaboration opportunities. Think about establishing a compelling online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio that highlights your AI-enhanced services, showcasing your best work and client testimonials. This additional step can significantly boost your credibility and attract more clients in search of innovation and efficiency. Finally, don't underestimate the power of feedback. After delivering your services, ask your clients for their thoughts. Constructive criticism will enable you to refine your approach and improve your offerings. Utilize this feedback to tailor your services to meet clients' evolving needs, which will ultimately help establish long-term relationships and a steady stream of income. Keep pushing your limits and remain adaptable as new AI tools emerge and your skills grow. Engage with trends and advancements in technology, as staying updated will give you a competitive edge and inspire fresh ideas. By doing so, you will not only cement your place in the market but also pave the way for future growth and opportunities. As you venture further, focus on refining your service packages. Consider tiered offerings that cater to various client needs, from basic services for startups to comprehensive packages for established businesses. Tailoring your services will demonstrate your understanding of varying demands while maximizing your potential income. Remember to stay adaptable. As trends evolve, so should your services. Regularly assess the landscape of online opportunities and identify areas for improvement. By remaining proactive, you'll ensure that your skill set remains relevant and your offerings attractive to a diverse clientele. This adaptability is what will set you apart in a competitive marketplace. Your success lies in continuous learning. Stay curious and explore new AI developments regularly to enhance your abilities and offerings in this fast-paced digital landscape. In conclusion, embracing AI tools empowers you to transform your skills into a profitable online venture. By committing to ongoing learning, networking, and adapting to market needs, you can unlock endless possibilities. So take that first step today, and let AI guide you toward your financial success.